In this video, we are going to learn how to cancel API requests using RxJS. Define a method named getSomeData. This method returns an observable that fetches data from a specified API URL using the Ajax.getJSON function provided by RxJS/Ajax. Define a method named raise. Inside this method, you subscribe to the observable returned by getSomeData. When the observable emits data, e.g., when the API request is successful, the data is logged to the console. Define a method named abortReq, which takes an event object as an argument, e.g., a button click event. Inside this method, you call this.abort.next, which emits a value in the abort subject. Additionally, you call this.abort.complete, to complete the abort subject, which is a good practice to clean up resources. Overall, this code demonstrates how to use RxJS and the takeUntil operator to cancel an API request by emitting a signal using a subject. The raise method initiates the API request, and the abort REQ method cancels it by completing the abort subject.